Star Wars fans, there is a brand new lightsaber at Savi's workshop here at Galaxy's Edge. It is called Reclaimed and Reforged. A limited time build that we are building with you today. And the other thing is we're going to be giving away this limited build on our Patreon at patreon.com/Ash and Bryan. If you go over there and sign up and become a 4 Squad member, you have a chance to enter to win this entire lightsaber for free. We can't do things like this without you supporting us, as you always do, in our flight crew here on Always Believe and also in our Patreon. But the special thing about it is we're going to be building it also as a family. Our daughter is going to be building it with us.
Ashley is here and Alice is here and
Star Wars night hungover.
That's the real Revenge of the Fifth, is getting hungover from Star Wars night. I know we didn't. We're just exhausted from having fun yesterday. And there's also a new pin. It's cool. It's like a greebly. I actually like that a lot.
It's like a piece of tech or something.
Yeah. So when you check in for your build, you have to put your pin above your heart, and that's how they can identify what you're going to be building when you're inside Savi's workshop.
Wow.
Yay! 4 Squad flight crew. We're about to go in and build our Reclaimed and Reforged as a family, and one of you is going to win it on our Patreon. So make sure you sign up at our Patreon to win this limited edition lightsaber.
Yay, 4 Squad.
Yay, 4 Squad.
Trying to, I feel like I have to be quiet.
Oh, really?
It's so secretive.
Yeah, we're not supposed to talk too much about what we're doing, yeah. The stormtroopers actually got very close a second ago, so. Yeah. You gotta help me build a lightsaber, okay?
Okay.
Alice has her little Ahsoka outfit on today, so she's ready to build. You give it to her? Right there. Give it to her. Thank you. Good job. Give it to her.
Hello.
Welcome in, travelers. Sit on down first.
Whoa,
You excited?
Yeah, we're gonna build a lightsaber.
Welcome into the workshop, everyone. I apologize for the way that I had to rush you all in here today. We cannot get caught by the first order. Now, as gatherers, we travel across the galaxy to collect kyber crystals, scrap metal, with all of your assistance. I believe you can help bring back balance the galaxy, just as previous heroes and legends once have. Heroes you all know, such as Luke Skywalker. Yeah. Woo! Yeah, each of you to build this, the lightsaber. Many have wielded the lightsaber in our past, from our strongest of heroes to their most worthy of foes. They're passionate, courageous, they're strong-willed, and perhaps some of you share those very same qualities now. You see the lightsaber is a magnificent and powerful tool. So powerful that the Force flows throughout the saber. But in order to harness such a great power, we're each going to require something small yet incredibly powerful. Known as a heart to your saber, what you all need today is called the kyber crystal. Now the Force lives within the kyber crystal, like the Force lives within and all around us. And the color that you each choose today will reflect itself in this code blue. Once held by Master Obi-Wan Kenobi, his younger Princess Anakin Skywalker, Princess and General Leia Organa, and now by Rey. As you have green, wielded by Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda, and Luke Skywalker.
That's green.
And up next, we have Violet. Rare and beautiful, famously wielded by Master Mace Windu. And lastly, of course, we have Red. Described as a crystal of power, as possessed by Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, Darth Vader, and now currently, the Supreme Leader, Kylo Ren. Now I'm sure you've heard these stories many times before. The first step to all of your journeys today are choosing your kyber crystals. So this journey can you make your way around. We ask that each of you make wise decisions. You choose your favorite
Pick
color.
a color.
Or if you're needing something to match your outfit. Make sure to place them
Where's
onto
the
that
green
green
one?
pad before you.
That one?
So ensure
Grab
it's
it.
a little
She wants
stable.
green.
Green.
Thank you.
Good job.
Did you pick green?
You said green. Ooh, that's a good color. It's very bright.
I thought she was torn between pink and green.
I know.
Or purple and green. She's calling it pink.
You can pick them up if you like.
Yeah.
Provision the saber, you'll soon be holding in your hands with half of what is in before you. And make those difficult choices now. If you're feeling a little overwhelmed, no worries. Over on your left-hand side, you're going to find your chassis. In sections 1 and 2, your force sleeves. Section 3, your emitters. Section 4, your end caps. And lastly, in section 5, you'll find 2 sets of activation plates. Each journey will come up with Brittany and
I love this one. We'll see what Alice picks up. It looks like a blaster. It's cool.
Who's ready to build a lightsaber?
Woohoo!
Above that open space is a screen-loaded pad. Once you go through that pad, go ahead and pick up your kyber.
Which one? You want that one?
The most secure part, most coincident
Need a crystal.
So then grab your kyber crystal, place it in the center chamber.
until it's standing in upright.
Yeah. There you go.
Oh, there it goes. Alice, look.
Once you secured your kyber,
Which ones do you want to pick? This one or that one?
Do you want this, the gold, or do you want the black?
The black one? Okay.
Make sure to look on the inside first. You can see a red square. Make sure to match it to the center of your chassis.
Oh, I see.
Perfect. Thank you.
snap your plates.
Oh, the blue's out this way.
And now that we've heard that symphony, we're ready to move on to section 4.
There we go.
Which ones do you want to pick?
Like,
Those
Here.
ones?
No, do you want this one?
Yeah.
You like that one?
Yeah. This one.
There we go. Good job. Look at your lightsaber.
We do 2 of these.
Yeah, we think she kind of like this thing. Yeah.
Wow. You like that one? It's rainbow. Daddy likes that one. Can we do that one for Daddy? Yeah. Let's give it to Daddy.
Okay.
Good job.
Test it out, make sure everything sounds and looks good.
It's looking cool so far. Good job. I'm liking this. This is a fun build.
Gotta do the bottom, huh?
Yeah, we'll do the bottom. So it's one of those two.
Alright, Alice. Which one? Pick one. Which one? That one or that one?
That one. That one's cool.
Good job.
Alice picked this one. That is cool. Wow. That's a cool build. Feels like a combination of like Ray and like a blaster like Han. Oh, dang.
You think is that the one?
I think we're all good.
Very nice.
Cool.
Didn't blow up anything, so we're
No, that's good.
And when I say to
Awesome.
activate, push up on that switch. And when I say to deactivate, you'll just slide it back down for us.
Okay.
Activate. Beautiful.
Cool.
Deactivate. Yeah.
And you're all set.
Awesome. Thank you. Can I look at this one really quick, too?
Yeah.
This was the other emitter, but you can't buy individual scrap anymore for this one. You only have to build it.
So all the other pieces are right here. There's also a really cool rubber grip. This one's actually really nice. And then the other emitter. This one's very cool. I like all of them. This is a really nice set. And it's kind of gold on the inside too. The other end cap, very simple. Also a D-ring, just like a lot of the other sabers. I like the end cap that we got because it's kind of like Ray's staff a little bit or something like that. And then these are the other ignitions.
You're more successful. They're back in the double digits, so that's always good.
Lightsabers. It begins. It is time. Your journey.
Builders, the force must be incredibly strong and assured and between all of you to summon the attention of such a Jedi. Now please step forward, return to your stations. Take a deep breath in, hand on your hilt, and activate. Now raise your lightsabers. You just built your lightsaber. Well done, everyone. Congratulations. Please raise it up high. Raise it.
Yay!
Woo!
We did it! Look at you! Yeah, hold it up.
Okay, well done, everyone.
There you go.
And deactivate your lightsaber. That's on. Just been forged. Well done.
Complete your lightsaber is. Like you when it can, but leave you, it cannot. Your journey, you both begin. May the Force be with you.
And thank you, builders. Your each is unique and extraordinary as his lightsabers you now hold in your hands. And in your hands, you each hold me what they say about remarkable power. It should never reach off on the ground. Protecting your lightsabers, we are pleased to present you with the saber sheath as you depart. Till this fire. Till
This fire! Woo! We did it! We did it! Alice built a lightsaber.
Thank you.
With you guys.
You did it! Yay! Woo!
Good job. That's heavy. You like it? You designed it very well with Daddy.
You did a very good job. This is Alice's first lightsaber build.
She's not even 2 yet.
She's not even 2 and she got to build an entire lightsaber.
Yeah.
Alice did a very good job building the saber. Mommy also helped. She did a very good job. That was a very big team effort for you, flight crew, for you, Force Squad. One of you, again, is going to get to win this. Let's look at this custom build. You want to show everybody?
Whoa. That's cool.
That's a very cool hill.